Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, you comment, and you also subscribe to this channel. Guys, congratulations to Usima and Umonaka. They have joined a new podcast that is here on YouTube. You guys can just go and check it out. The title of the first video that they posted is Misconceptions About Us. But people have different opinions about this podcast because they did not start their own thing, you know. They joined a network here on YouTube and then they just gave them a slot to podcast. So it's just the four of them discussing girly issues, discussing I don't know what, maybe misconceptions about them. I do not know. So people in the comment section on TikTok were just like, no, this is going to end in tears. Sima and Monaka, you guys have a huge following from the podcast Leia Benijoinile from McG's channel. So you guys have the potential to start your own thing and just start making money, instead of just joining something and then you are paid. Why not start your own thing and then like be your own bosses, but they seem to be fun. They seem to be having fun from the clips that I saw on TikTok. They're just talking, in daily issues. Usima also even touched on the fact that she was because she graduated at night. Uti girl, she was also bullied that the pictures were taken at a parking lot and not at the graduation venue. So she clarified those rumors. Also, she was just, she was inside, so there was no good lighting. And then she went to the parking lot for pictures. And then when she posted those pictures, people said that this seems like a scam. Why would you graduate at night at a parking lot and all of that? So that's, I guess that's a misconception about her because the title of the podcast is Misconceptions About Us. But nje, people are really not happy, but some people are happy. But a lot of people are just saying, "See, you guys have experience, you've been with the podcast Yaramik G. Like, how about starting your own thing? Because Leo, it will end in tears." But we don't know. We are here just watching. We just wish them all the best, man. We wish them all the best. If they don't want to start their own thing, then why not join another podcast? You know? So we just wish them all the best, and I hope and pray that it works out for them, because if it doesn't work, Sana Umechi is going to have a field day. We podcast, yeah, we podcast and chill. He is going to be laughing at them because Mekchi Nayenji, he is someone else, Sana. He is going to have a field day. So I hope it works out for them. And if it doesn't work here, they can always start their own thing, guys. YouTube is for everyone. Like, you are all free to start your own things. No one is going to, block you or something. But we wish them all the best. Guys, please let me know in the comment section down below, what do you think of Sima and Monaka joining this podcast? Do you think it will end in tears? Do you think it will work out for them?